In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start from a blank template on Squarespace. By the end, you'll have a clean slate ready for your own design, without extra demo sections getting in the way. First, log into your Squarespace account and head to the Templates area to get started. Squarespace will guide you through a short setup flow. On the first couple of screens, simply click Next to proceed. When you see the option to build a website, choose that to continue. You might be prompted to describe what you're creating. In that field, type the word highlight as a simple placeholder just to move forward. There's no need to overthink this. It won't lock you into anything permanent. Click Next again, and keep advancing through the prompts. You'll then see the word you typed appear as a selectable option. Click that highlight option to confirm your choice, and click Next a couple more times until you reach the end of the setup. When you're done, click Finish. This wraps up the onboarding and drops you into your site dashboard. From here, click Edit Site to open the visual editor. Then click Edit to start working on the page canvas itself. Squarespace typically loads a starter page with a few sections to give you an idea of layout possibilities. Because we want a truly blank starting point, we'll remove those default sections. Hover over the section that's highlighted and open its controls. Click Remove. If you're prompted to confirm, click Remove again. This ensures the default content is cleared. Once you've removed the initial sections, click Save to commit the changes. Saving here is important. It locks in your clean slate so you don't have to repeat the cleanup. At this stage, you're looking at a minimal canvas that's ready for your content. A few tips as you move forward. If you delete something by mistake, use the Undo button before leaving the editor. You can rename your site and adjust settings at any time from the main panel, so don't worry about the placeholder text you entered earlier. Also, remember that Squarespace's editor is section-based. When you're ready to build, you'll add sections and blocks exactly where you want them, which is much easier to do once the page is free of demo content. That's it! You've started from a blank template in Squarespace. Save your progress, and you're ready to design your site exactly how you envisioned it.